Hello everyone, myself Indrajit once again welcome you in my channel NCRT Social Science with Indrajit. How to secure more marks? This is the motto of our video, today's video. So what we are going to discuss? We are going to do the question answer of chapter 1, class 8 NCRT Social Science. Explanation I have given. 7 videos of this chapter I have already uploaded. Go through all this video and through this question answer, just make yourself fully prepared for your exams. So let's start. And before that, I want to tell you one thing. Each and every page I have covered. All this, not even a single question has been copied from anywhere. I have prepared it myself for you. So let's start. You must have your notebook with you. In which state Dudhsagar waterfall is located? Answer is Goa. Please note down somewhere. In which state Dudhsagar waterfall is located? Answer is Goa. Now the next question. What is the meaning of the word nature? Right? Nature is the totality of life and non-life forms. So in nature, we have living things also, non-living things also. And that's why the answer is nature is the totality of life and life forms that are part of our environment but have not been created by humans. Either it's a living thing or non-living thing. They are not created by humans. Next, third question. What is a resource? See here. When human beings use the natural things for their sustenance, to sustain life, that is, or create new things from them for consumption, then those elements of nature become resources. Got it? Once again, when human beings use the natural things to sustain their life or they create new things from the things which are present in the nature, then that element becomes the resource. What is the fourth question? What should be the criteria for an entity to be called a resource? For any entity to be called a resource, what is the eligibility criteria? For an entity to be called a resource, it must fulfill the following criteria. What is it? It should be technologically accessible. It means through technology we can access that resource. Next, it should be economically feasible. And third, culturally acceptable by the society. Next, categorize natural resources on the basis of their use. Got it? On the basis of their use. What is it? Natural resources can be categorized on the basis of their use in the following way. How? Resources essential for our life: air, water, food. First point. Second, resources for materials. For example, human beings create things from natural things. Next, third point, resources for energy: solar energy, wind energy, water energy, right? Okay. Then we have coal, petroleum, etc. All these things. Now let's move to the next question. What is the general principle of nature? What is the principle of nature? The general principle of nature is that it functions in a restorative and regenerative way. Nature functions as restorative. It means they have the capability to restore the things in its original healthy state if it is damaged or something else, right? And regenerative, nature has the capacity to regenerate the things. Got it? Okay. Now, what is restoration and regeneration? Restoration is the process of returning something to its original healthy state if it has been degraded or damaged. And what is regeneration? Regeneration is the nature's ability to create new life and the conditions for thriving. Got it? Okay. Now, question number 8. What are renewable resources? Renewable resources are those resources which can be renewed again and again. It may be water, solar energy, and all that. Got it? Okay. Now, what is the condition for a renewable resource to be renewable? What are the conditions for a renewable resource to be renewable? It means we should not disturb them. We must not disturb the nature's cycle. See here, for a renewable resource to be renewable, the natural rhythm of restoration and regeneration must not be disturbed. For example, if we harvest timber faster than forest, right? Forest can grow trees. If we start cutting trees, if we start cutting trees, but it takes time for the new plants to become a tree, right? You know what will happen? See, if we harvest timber faster than forest can grow trees, we will eventually deplete the forest. Got it? Okay. Because cutting of trees, it will take very less time. But when we talk about the for a small plant to become a tree, it takes several years. Got it? Okay. So for a renewable resource to be renewable, the natural rhythm of the nature should not be disturbed. It must not be disturbed because it takes time, right? Okay. Next question. Why fishermen refrain from fishing during the spawning season? Why fishermen? They refrain when is the time for the fishes to lay eggs and all that. During the spawning season, the fishermen they refrain from fishing to enable the maintenance of fish population. Got it? Next question. Question number 11. How industries have disturbed the nature's cycle of restoration and regeneration? Answer. We need industries to produce goods we consume. It's correct. And without industries, the economy of the country will not grow. That's true. But we need industries to produce goods we consume. The process also creates waste that are frequently discharged into the rivers and other water bodies. Often, these waste cannot decay to become the food of some life form. Instead, it leads to disturbance in the nature's cycle of restoration and regeneration. It leading to a situation where the river becomes poisonous and cannot support life. Got it? So in river also what we are doing, we are disturbing the nature's cycle. We are releasing so many wastes, poisonous things into the river water. It should not be done. What are ecosystem function and ecosystem services? Nature has some inherent ways of working. For example, trees naturally produce oxygen, right? When these natural resources benefit humans, we call them ecosystem services. These are the services which we get from the trees, from the ecosystem. So it is called ecosystem services. A forest naturally filters water, then prevents soil erosion and provides habitat for animals. This is the function of the forest, and that's why these are called ecosystem function. Next, how many liters of oxygen a mature tree produces per day? Answer is 275 liters. Next, how many liters of oxygen a human being needs every day? The answer is 350 liters of oxygen is needed by a human being. What are non-renewable resources? Those resources which cannot be renewed again and again are called non-renewable resources. Maybe coal, petroleum, all that. Got it? Okay. What are the implications of uneven distribution of natural resources? What are the implications? See, we know that resources are unevenly distributed in nature, right? And it shapes human settlements, trade patterns, international relations, and conflicts. Many wars have been fought and continue to be fought to gain control over the natural resources. Got it? Okay. Next question. Question number 17. What benefits are attached when industries are located near natural resources? What are the benefits of setting industries near the natural resources? See here. Industries located near natural resources create employment opportunities for the local people who are living nearby. Then township grow around them and expand economic opportunities for others too. Got it? Okay. So it is beneficial for the local people and it creates economic opportunities also. Which states are having River water dispute? The answer is Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, and Kerala. These four states they have water dispute on Kaveri River water, right? That what should be the distribution of water, which state will get more water, and what about others? All these things. Next, what is the natural resource curse or the paradox of plenty? It's a very important question. Children they get confused, but it's very simple. Having plenty of natural resources does not automatically mean the country is rich, right? If the government is not setting up industries or factories, not making use of skill, knowledge, and technology, then how the resources will get converted into products of higher value? Is it possible? No. Only having resource will not work. The government will have to set up industries to convert those resources into products of higher value. So it is called the natural resource curse or the paradox of plenty. Next question. What is stewardship? The responsible and wise use of natural resources is called stewardship. The nature must get time to restore and regenerate the things. It means we should not disturb the nature's cycle. Okay? What has led to soil degradation? The improper use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, it has led to soil degradation. And you know what happens? Excessive use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, it increases the amount of salt in the soil. It means the salinity increases and slowly what happens? The soil loses its fertility. What percentage of the area of Punjab has been classified as overexploited? 80% area of Punjab has been classified as overexploited. Next, why cement industry has been listed as one of the most polluting industries? Very simple answer. The process of cement production releases fine dust that enters our lungs and those of animals damaging them, settles on the leaves of plants, decreasing their yields and causes soil and water pollution too. So because of cement industries, the human beings are suffering, animals are suffering, plants are suffering, right? So all these things are happening and water pollution definitely. So because of these reasons, the cement industry has been listed as one of the most polluting industries. What direction has been given by the Central Pollution Control Board to the cement industries? Direction has been given by Central Pollution Control Board. What direction? See, to ensure that the pollution is minimized or eliminated, right? Now, what is Vriksh Ayurveda? Vriksh Ayurveda is an ancient Indian botanical science that focuses on the study and the care of plants and trees. Next, which state became 100% organic state? Simple answer, Sikkim. Which two countries launched the International Alliance for Solar Energy, IASE, in 2015? Answer is India and France. What is IASE? It is coalition of sunshine rich countries committed to harnessing solar energy. So These are those questions which I have made it myself from the textbook. It has not been copied from anywhere. My own language, own answer just for you. So I have already explained the chapter. Now note it down, share it to others so that other students can also get benefited, right? So if you have subscribed, if you have not subscribed my channel till yet, please subscribe my channel. And the second chapter question answer very soon I'll be uploading. So please subscribe, like, put comments and share it to others. So chapter number 1 is over. Meet you in the next video.